What's up, everybody? This is Ski or Suki. We're gonna be doing another coding tutorial. You guys asked for a kick and ban. Next video I'm gonna be doing a unban and create invite. So let's get right to it. I'm gonna just do this through PowerShell because it's pretty simple, and I'm just gonna open up our Python file in Sublime. So I've already got our dividers put up right here. And I'm just going to do client.commands with the parentheses, async def kick, and ctx. So we're going to have a couple different parameters here. We're going to have kick, which is our ctx, and at user or like user ID, like that. And then we're going to have our reason. So what we're going to do is we're going to do user. And tell me in the comments what you think we should put right here. I'll wait. Yeah, you're correct. It's discord.user, just like that. So discord.user is equal to, like, say, this. This is discord.user. In discord.py, they made this, what, like, discord.user is. It's just this. So I'm gonna delete that message, and I'm just going to make another parameter. This next one's going to be an asterisk, and then the next one is reason. Now this is because we want reason to be multiple words, so we're just going to make well, it's a function, so let's make it a function. We need to add our colon though. Alright, now we're going to do await user.kick. And then in the parameters, we're gonna do reason is equal to reason. So, oops. Basically, they have user as a class, discord.user as a class, and we're going to do the kick function on this class, and the reason for that kick function is reason. So it's going to respond with the API, that user.kick, and yeah, it makes sense, but it doesn't at the same time. So yeah, anyway, we're going to do await ctx.send. Actually, wait, this needs to be an f string, and we're going to do user has been kicked by ctx.message.author for oops, I've just been texted. Hold up. Oh, never mind, just someone went online on Twitch. Anyway, for reason of reason, just like that. So basically it's going to be like Suki has been kicked by YouTube tutorial for the reason of poopy head, I don't know. And then we're gonna do await user.sends, and we're just gonna send them you have been kicked from ctx.message or ctx.guild.name, I believe it is, for by ctx.message.author for the reason of reason. So this is gonna be like you've been kicked from testes by Suki for the reason of boopy head, whatever. But we're just gonna start this bot up, and we're gonna run it. Or we're gonna save it, and then we're gonna run it. So Python bot.py, and it should work. Alright, looks like it's working. Connected the bot, everything like that. And we're gonna go ahead and make sure it's up. Ping. Yep. And then we're gonna do kick. I'm actually going to invite a alt account. Invite people test account. And then over here, I'm going to join the server. Like, Y'all are weird. And then we're just going to kick at test account and being mean. And actually, let's do user.mention. So as you can see, test account has been kicked by for actually we have to allow this dot mention for reason of being mean. And then over here on the alt account, or as you can see, it's kicked. And then in the server settings, in the audit log, if you click on this, it'll say with the reason being mean, just like that. And then if we go on our alt account, we do not have a DM. Is there an error about that? Okay, let's actually see discord.py docs. Discord.user.send. Okay, wait, send. Let's just hit destination. But user.send. I want to actually let's how to DM a user in discord.py. So as you can see, this is like basically what a like just programmers do. We just Google stuff. So client.send_message. Send underscore message. So as you can see, we have to do send underscore message instead of just send underscore message, just like that. And we should be good. We can invite the bot back into the server, and then we can do kick test account being mean twice. Oops, I'm kind of stupid, not gonna lie. Python bot.py, and we can have a startup, as you can see, and then make sure your ping's working, all that. Yep, kick test account being mean for the second time, just like that. As you can see, test account has been kicked by Suki for reason of being mean, for the reason of being mean for the second time. Yep, and then over here, still didn't get a DM. It's probably one of the least of our concerns right now. The most is that it actually works. You guys can research that in your own time, because I've never actually done something like this. But it's actually pretty simple. All you have to do is whatever await user dot blah blah, and then whatever you want to continue. But we're just gonna take this code and basically copy it. Oops, that was the wrong thing. We're gonna copy it just like that, and we're going to go over to our ban, and we're gonna just replace some things. We're gonna replace kick with ban, and we're going to replace kick with ban, and we're gonna remove this. Oh, actually, we're not going to. We're just gonna do has been banned by ctx.message.author.mention for reason of reason. So this is going to be a permanent ban. You guys can work on temporary bans in your own time. To be honest, don't really, like, in all my servers, I always ban someone permanently and then unban them if they make, like, a ticket or something like that. I don't really get the point in temporary bans, like, where you, like, make a bot unban them after a while. It's just kind of stupid, you know? Like, I'm more of, like, into just, like, permanently banning them and then unbanning them if they have a reason to be unbanned, you know? So, that should be good, and we're gonna restart the bot up. Actually, so member object. Okay, so actually, does it show in the first one then? Cannot send messages to this user. Ah, so actually, this user.send was probably the right thing. But the thing is, with this account, you probably have to, I don't know. Strange. Weird. That is definitely very weird. You guys can look that up in your meantime, but we're just gonna restart the bot. Alright, now we can go ahead and make sure it's working. Ping, yep, ban. Actually, I need to invite the bot back, or just have it join. Let's say curse word, and then ban test account. For the reason being cursing. Just like that. And then all the messages are gone. Test account has been banned by Suki. As you can see, it's not here. And over here, it's gone from the server. So, yeah, that'll be just about it for this tutorial, guys. Next up, we're gonna be doing unban. We're gonna be doing create invite, and after that video, I'm planning on making a lot of things in embed. So, this is not an embed right now. So the 8-ball is not an embed. So, if you do like 8-ball, like PP, like that, it's not an embed. But what I'm gonna do for y'all is we're gonna make everything in here in embed. So we're gonna make the ping in embed. We're gonna make the 8-ball in embed. We're gonna helps already in embed. Hugs already in embed, obviously, and then we're gonna make kick in embed, and we're gonna make ban in embed, and then everything else after that in embed. That's gonna be a longer video, so you guys can get ready for that. I know y'all are gonna be shivering your timbers, and yeah, that's gonna be just about it for this coding tutorial, and peace. See you guys later.